hit him.
Just admit it.
What are you talking about?
Just admit you miss it.
Miss it? What are you talking about? I'm glad there's no more chase you. Let's just get that out there, all right?
Well, look, what a night it has been. It has been stand and deliver implications all night long. Thea almost with a quick one on Carmen.
This is low-key a good episode.
There's another cover, another kick out. That the underboss went behind the Don's back.
You know, I sort of respect what Stacks was attempting to do, trying to take matters in his own hands, but I also know what it means to tick off the boss, not somewhere you want to be.
Well, six-man tag match takes place this Saturday. We're also going to find out who walks out NXT champion in our main event. Those three participants here live. One final freestyle here tonight. Speaking of finals, the final spot in the women's six-way North American Championship match.
Stand and deliver is up for grabs in this one, and Petrovic utilizing her well-educated feet.
Well, that was a mighty big move of Thea to give Andre Chase her blessing moments ago.
Yeah, she's young, she's strong, and professional. And I can see someone like you that takes something like that. But if I give her some advice, if I give her just a little advice, do what she said she's gonna do, and then just move on from JC.
It's time to look at tonight's NXT recap presented by Progressive. Which one of these two women will earn that final spot in the field of six for Stand and Deliver on Saturday? Of course, Lola Rice qualified earlier tonight. Ethan Page, by the way, Hank and Tank, they're also heading to championship matches in Las Vegas. But let's remember how we got here. Stephanie McKenna relinquishing the North American title to give the locker room a chance to shine. And Booker, I've been meaning to ask you this. Have you ever handed over a title for the betterment of the locker room?
You gotta understand, trying to defend two championship is very, very difficult. When I came into WWE, I was a WCW champion and the United States champion. And I'm gonna tell you right now, to compete against the level of competition that the business at that time, it would have been incredible. But I still made history, just like Stephanie McKenna. Oh, baby.
The Dark Angel looking to empower the women's division, which is now welcome back. Thea Hale.
Nice to see Thea Hale still possesses that seemingly endless energy, but I wonder if it's going to serve her well. I wonder what Thea learned in her time away post-Chase U. Is she a different competitor? Thus far, I'm seeing a lot more of the same. Impressive.
Thea.
Running right in, stepping right over, double under, hook.
No way.
And twisting right back around. We've seen her make people test the
No way! Oh, that's my dude. That's my pick. Fuck yes.